How do I download a document to MP3? Begin by navigating to your document. Click on Download as MP3. Read the terms for downloading audio files. If you agree, click on I agree, download the file, or I agree, and upload to Dropbox. Selecting I agree, download the file, pops up a screen where you can select where to save your file. Give your file a name. We suggest the same name as the TextAid file, or the page number of the file. Click Save. After the saving completes, you can then upload it to your MP3 device. Many MP3 devices use iTunes, however, others work the same as a flash drive where you drag your file to the storage on the MP3 device. Follow your standard procedure for uploading the file to your MP3 device. If your file is multiple pages, we suggest that you make a folder that uses the document name as the folder name. Name the first downloaded page as 01. When you download the second page, name it 02. Continue naming the pages in the same manner, so that the tracks will set up correctly on your MP3 player. If you selected, I agree, upload to Dropbox, you will briefly see the naming screen the first time you select this method, and you will be redirected to your Dropbox. Sign into your Dropbox account and allow the synchronization. You'll be back on your TextAid screen where you'll need to start the process of clicking on Download as MP3. Naming the document. Selecting the location in your Dropbox. And clicking on Upload Audio File. You'll see a confirmation notice on your screen when the file has completed the uploading process. Now that you know how to create your MP3 files, you're ready to listen to your lessons on the go.